Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here for the Let's Decorate a Valentine's Tree collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Light DIY Home Decor, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Barbie Daily Rural Life in the Valley, May's Design Corner, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all participating channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Today we're going to be decorating Valentine trees. However, I'm going to be decorating a Valentine wreath. I have a wreath right inside my front door that greets all of my guests when they come into my house. I want to spruce it up and make it look extra special and beautiful for Valentine's Day. I have an annual Valentine party every year, and I like to put out some simple decorations just to welcome my guests when they come in, and then I decorate my dining room right inside my front door. And I also decorate my kitchen with a few little Valentine accents. I keep it very simple and not too complicated. Let me show you what I'm doing with my beautiful wreath inside my hallway. I want to decorate my wreath to coordinate with my dining room table. These are the decorations I put in my dining room. Very simple, but not complicated. I want to keep things clear so that we can have a nice time and have a great luncheon at our Valentine party. So I'm going to be going with a pink and white theme. These are the decorations I'm going to use to decorate my Valentine wreath. I'm going to use this painter's tape, which is a nice tape that doesn't stick or ruin anything. And I'll attach these beautiful little checkered hearts with the painter's tape. I'll just take the tape and then I'll tear off some and roll it just like this. I'll stick it onto one side of the little heart. I'll keep going until I have a piece of tape on every single little heart. Now all of my little hearts are ready to attach to the wreath. I'll just take them and press them on to the leaves of this wreath. They stick so nicely. I'm going to add in just a little hint of pink with these beautiful pink flowers. I'll put some on each side. This pink check bow will add a perfect little touch of extra color to this beautiful wreath. And in just minutes, we've created a lovely Valentine wreath for my front entryway. All of the beautiful little pink and white hearts, pink flowers, and pink and white bow. It is so simple, but yet so elegant, and adds such a beautiful touch of color to my white entryway. This wreath will be the perfect thing to greet guests when they come into my house. It'll be wonderful to have right here when I have my upcoming Valentine party. You don't have to go out and buy expensive things to make a nice display. Just take what you have and see what you can recreate it into. By using these little pink and white hearts that were a gift from my friend Lisa, I was able to add them to my wreath and make such a beautiful display. I'm so glad you were here. I had such a wonderful time being part of this awesome collaboration and decorating a beautiful wreath for Valentine's Day. I hope that you decorate a tree or a wreath for the upcoming holiday. I would be so happy if you check out the other participating channels, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.